I was going to show y'all a mysterious oil leak that I had on my '08 Foreman 500. So it was dripping oil from the back, almost like the middle of the frame here. And I went ahead and replaced the seal behind the pull start, just because I knew there was one back there, and I realized that it wasn't from there. It was still leaking, and I found that it was dripping from this side of the swing arm, just this bowl that would just barely just drip out. You could see it. So I further inspected it. I looked at a couple parts diagrams and found that there's another seal right here where your drive shaft connects, and you can see on this one the little black spot right there. It's blown that seal, and it's causing motor oil to fill up my rear differential, which I noticed it was all the way full. So luckily I caught it in time, but I was just going to show y'all. Here's the new seal. The part number, I didn't, like I said, I looked at some diagrams, and I looked at Partzilla, and that's going to be what's going to fix that oil leak. So I figured I'd give y'all a show of where that oil leak comes from. Maybe it'll help somebody else. Appreciate it.